Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this question. Question read x plus y equals to 40, x times y equals to 80. What is the possible value for x and y? So let's provide a solution. Okay, solution. Okay, we write x plus y equals to 40. Okay, x times y equals to 80. So call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. Okay, from equation 1, let's make x the subject formula. So say x is equals to 40 minus y. X is equals to 40 minus y. So we can call this one equation 3. So the next thing we are going to do is to substitute. So say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, having this now, what are we simply going to do? We are going to say, so this is equation 3, this is equation 2. So we're going to say, open bracket, 40 minus y, close bracket, times y is equals to 80. Okay, if we open the brackets, we are going to have 40y minus y square is equals to 80. Okay, so from here we can simply take this to the other side. So we're having y square, okay, plus 80 minus 40y equals to 0. So if we should arrange in a quadratic format, so we're having 40 here, 40y, 40y. So if we arrange in a quadratic format, we have y square minus 40y plus 80 equals to 0. Okay, having this now, what are we simply going to do next? So the next thing we are going to do is to resolve for x. And here we're having a quadratic equation, and this is quadratic equation. We can use the formula method, which says our y is equals to minus b plus or minus into the root of b square minus 4ac, okay, divide by 2a. Okay, from what we solved, okay, or from our equation, rather quadratic equation, we know that our a is equals to 1, our b is equals to minus 40, our c is equals to 80. Okay, so if we substitute everything inside, we simply have our y to be equals to minus, open bracket, minus 40, close bracket, plus or minus the root of minus 40 or square, okay, minus, open bracket, 4 times 1 times 80, okay, close bracket, divide by 2 times 1. Okay, from there we have our y to be equals to 40 plus or minus, because this and this will turn to positive, into the root of 1600 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 80 is 320. Okay, divide by 2. Okay, so from here the next thing we are going to do is to see y is equals to 40 plus or minus the root of 1600 minus 320 is going to give us 1280. Okay, 1280, or divide by 2. So from here we know that root of 1280 is equals to root of 1280 is equals to the root of 256 times 5. 256 times 5. So 256 times 5 is going to give us 1280. So k, which is also equals to the square root of 256 times the square root of 5. Okay, which is also equals to 16 times, we're having 16 here, 16 times root 5, which is equals to 16 root 5. Okay, so we'll put the whole of this now, which is this, into this part. We'll simply have our y to be equals to 40 plus or minus 16 root 5 divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So having done this, what are we simply going to do again? So you can see that there's a common factor, and that common factor is 2. It's beyond 2 is 4 actually, but since we're having 2 at the denominator, we can factor 2 out. So we can say y is equals to 2 open bracket 20 plus or minus 8 root 5 close bracket divided by 2, which is equals to 20 plus minus 8 root 5. Okay, so from here we can see our y is equals to y1 is equals to 20 plus 8 root 5. Okay, our y2 is equals to 20 minus 8 root 5. Okay, so if you have to go back to what we solved, remember we said our x, what is the value for x? We said our x is equals to 40 minus y. So come here and write. Okay, come back and write again. Okay, if x is equals to 40 minus y, okay, so therefore our x1 is equals to 40 minus open bracket 20 plus 8 root 5. Okay, so our x1 is equals to this. If we open the bracket, we're having 40 minus 20, so it's going to turn to minus 8 root 5. Okay, therefore our x1 is equals to 40 minus 20. It's going to give us 20 minus 8 root 5. So this is the first value for x now. So for the second value, so we can say our x2 is equals to 40 minus this. So we have open bracket 20 minus 8 root 5. Okay, so therefore x2 is equals to 40 minus 20 plus 8 root 5. So from here now, simply say our x2 is equals to 20 plus 8 root 5. So this is the answer for x2. Okay, and this is the answer for x1. Okay, and this is the answer for y1. Okay, and this is the answer for y2. Okay, so what are we simply going to do? Let's check if our answer is correct. So say x plus y is equals to 40. Okay, let's come now. X plus y is equals to 40. X plus y is equals to 40. So we are going to say x1 plus y1 is equals to what? We know our x1 to be 20. X1 to be 20 minus 8 root 5. Okay, and plus our y1 to be 20 plus 8 root 5, okay, equals to unknown. So from here we can see that this and this will go. So we're having 20 plus 20, which is 20 plus 20, which is 40, equals to 40. So the value in this question, the value of x and y in this question is correct. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. Subscribe to get more math tips and hit the like button to help this video go viral. Please don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section below. Thank you.